Public Works and Highways Secretary Vince Dizon will investigate the allegation made by Congressman Leandro Leviste that some members of his team or agency are connected to contractors. The secretary also urged the congressman to provide the names of those involved. Margaret Gonzalez files this report.
DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon urged Congressman Leandro Leviste to identify the individuals he was referring to in the DPWH who may have connections with contractors. In a press conference, Leviste revealed that some appointees and members of the DPWH team have links to contractors. Dizon did not take Leviste's revelation negatively, but he emphasized the importance of the congressman providing names and specific details so that the matter can be properly investigated. According to Dizon, he has no undersecretaries who are contractors, but he is prepared to verify the allegations. And if the investigation proves them true, he said he is ready to remove them from their positions.
Wala sa kanilang kontraktor. Yun ang aking pagkakaalam. Pero ako po mismo, dahil sa report na ito, mag-iimbestiga na rin ako on my own about this. But I would really appreciate if Congressman Leviste could give me more specifics, if possible, names, no, and circumstances. And believe me, I will act on it. Nakilala niyo na ako, DOTR pa lang. I will never tolerate it. And immediately, tanggal yan. Baka kasuhan ko pa.
At present, Secretary Dizon has appointed 6 new undersecretaries to the agency, including Ari Perez, who serves as Undersecretary for Operations in charge of convergence projects and technical services. Perez reportedly worked with Dizon before at the Basis Conversion and Development Authority and was also a former president of Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation. Arthur Bisnar, now the Undersecretary for Regional Operations, previously came from the Office of Transportation Security. Meanwhile, Charles Calima Jr., the Undersecretary for Special Concerns, was formerly with a major private corporation. Ricardo Bernabe III, who now serves as Undersecretary in the Office of the Secretary, previously worked with the National Police Commission. Samuel Torgano serves as the Undersecretary for Legal Services, while Nick Conti, who was appointed as Undersecretary for Planning, is a former head of the Maritime Industry Authority.
Importante sa akin yan. No, and I will look forward to having a conversation with Congressman Leviste on that. No, so very clear. No? Hindi ko papalampasin yan kahit anong.
Meanwhile, Dizon revealed that the agency will also look into the possible connection between CLTG builders and the Discayas following the disclosure made by Ombudsman Boy Rimulya.
Titignan na rin natin ang posibleng mga koneksyon ng Discaya sa CLTG Corporation na sinabi nga ni Ombudsman Boy kahapon, parang may allegations na konektado kay Senator Bongo.
For God and my beloved Philippines, this is Margaret Gonzalez, SMNI News.